So we're going to start by giving it a title, that's first calculator, and we will move on to naming the bar from 0 to 9. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, addition sign, and equal to. That's the thing I'm using right now. So you move on to the JavaScript code. So what you're going to do is you're going to add a variable that is fully calculation. That's what you're going to use. So we're going to call the onClick attribute to help us display 1 whenever we click on the button 1. Add the calculation to it. In the calculation variable we just made, it was empty, and we're going to display 1 in the console log, and that's all. All we have to do is copy it and paste it in the rest. We'll paste it in the second one and change the variable to 2. That's the value we want to display. And the third one to change it to 3. We're going to do the same to all, and that's all. And we'll go to the equal button. In the equal button, you're going to do different things. So you call the calculation as usual, and also use this function, that is the eval. I really don't know how to mention this word. I want it to calculate, we enter the net, and what we want to display is answer and what we calculated. We want to hit so that we can start afresh. So let's run it and see. So this is it. I didn't add any CSS to it. It was just this code. You can design it if you like. So we will try and see. So 5 plus 7, the answer is 12. Yeah, 12, correct. And 55 plus 9, 90. 55 plus 90, the answer is 145. Everything is working perfect. You can add many operations to it, minus the division sign. You can add anything to it to see if it works. I really haven't tried. Let me see if it was able to work in the comment section.